There goes Heath with his ball. Uh-oh, you're going to have to actually get up now, Heath.
You already trashed it. It's kind of not good for you, honey.
Oh, Lad looks like he's in love with Liberty. Oh, no, he wants the ball. Good dogs. Good dogs. Very nice. Good job, Laddie.
He plays with frisbee and stuff. He'll grab the frisbee and run back and forth trying to grab it.
Yeah, he likes to play keep away more than he likes to bring it back to you. Uh-oh. And Liberty sees food over there. Look at how nice she's sitting. And Blackie, handsome boy. Blackie. No, he sees food too.
Oh, did you know he does tricks too?
Oh God, yeah. He does all sorts of stuff. He knows down also. Do you know that? Did you know he does that? And I believe he will shake with both hands.
Down. Down.
Liberty says, I shake too.
And not just the butt?
Right, Libby? Yeah, the butt really shakes.
Nope, nope, this is
You gotta sit.
Good girl. You do this. Good girl. Did you do down? Liberty? Down?
Yeah, my head will go down and I'll get it.
We'll work on that one.
Good girl, Lad.